Snakes are elongated, legless, carnivorous reptiles that belong to the suborder Serpentis. They are found in various habitats around the world, from forests and grasslands to deserts and oceans. Snakes have a unique way of moving, using their scales and muscles to slither and crawl along the ground. Most snakes are carnivorous and hunt prey such as rodents, birds, and other small animals, using their sharp teeth and jaws to capture and swallow their food whole. Snakes play important roles in ecosystems, controlling populations of rodents and other small animals. They are also valued in some cultures for their symbolism and medicinal properties. However, some species of snakes can be dangerous to humans, such as venomous snakes that can cause serious injury or death if they bite. It's important to exercise caution and respect when encountering snakes in the wild, and to seek medical attention immediately if bitten by a venomous snake. Snakes have a number of unique physical features that help them to thrive in their environments. For example, they have specialized scales that protect their skin and help them to move across rough surfaces. Some species of snakes, such as the diamondback rattlesnake, have heat-sensing organs on their heads that help them to detect prey. There are over 3,500 species of snakes, ranging in size from the tiny thread snake, which is only a few inches long, to the massive anaconda, which can grow up to 30 feet in length. Snakes can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Many species of snakes are threatened by habitat loss, pollution, and other human activities. Some species, such as the black mamba and king cobra, are also hunted for their skins and for use in traditional medicine. Conservation efforts are underway to protect endangered snake species and their habitats. In many cultures, snakes have been associated with symbolism and mythology. In some cultures, snakes are seen as symbols of wisdom, while in others they are seen as symbols of evil or danger. In Hinduism, the snake is revered as a symbol of fertility and rebirth, while in Greek mythology the god Apollo is often depicted holding a snake as a symbol of healing. Overall, snakes are fascinating and important creatures that play important roles in ecosystems around the world. While some species can be dangerous, it's important to remember that snakes are typically more afraid of us than we are of them, and that they deserve our respect and protection. Snakes are ectothermic, meaning they rely on their environment to regulate their body temperature. They are most active during the warmer months and will often hibernate during the colder months to conserve energy. Many species of snakes are able to reproduce without the need for a mate. This process, known as parthenogenesis, allows female snakes to produce offspring that are genetically identical to themselves. However, most species of snakes reproduce sexually, with males fertilizing the eggs of females. Snakes are also known for their ability to shed their skin. As they grow, snakes will shed their skin several times a year, revealing a shiny new layer of scales underneath. This process is known as molting and allows snakes to remove old or damaged skin and to grow new skin that is better adapted to their environment. While some people may be afraid of snakes, they can make fascinating pets for those who are knowledgeable and responsible. However, it's important to remember that owning a snake is a big responsibility, as they require specific housing, diet, and care. It's also important to research local laws and regulations before acquiring a pet snake, as some species may be illegal to keep in certain areas. Snakes have a number of adaptations that allow them to hunt and survive in their environments. For example, some species of snakes have fangs that deliver venom to their prey, which can immobilize or kill the prey. Other species of snakes, such as constrictors, use their powerful muscles to squeeze their prey to death. Snakes also have unique digestive systems. Unlike humans and other mammals, snakes have a single long tube for a digestive tract. They are able to swallow prey whole and then slowly digest it over a period of several days or weeks. Some species of snakes, such as the reticulated python, are able to swallow prey that is much larger than their own bodies. In addition to their ecological roles, snakes have also played important roles in human history and culture. For example, in ancient Egypt, the snake was a symbol of royalty and divinity. In some Native American cultures, the snake is seen as a symbol of transformation and healing. Finally, it's worth noting that while some species of snakes are venomous and can pose a danger to humans, most snakes are harmless and play important roles in maintaining healthy ecosystems. It's important to remember to respect snakes and their habitats and to take precautions when hiking or working in areas where snakes may be present.